For me, I just chose Union College based on how respectful the community felt. I know that was like a massive, part for me moving to college, like as a 17-year-old especially. When I came on a tour here, just like the staff, the residents, even though when I was walking around, they just like felt really welcoming and supportive. And I think transitioning to college from school is like a massive part of that. So I guess for me, a typical day, just start with obviously breakfast, all that sort of stuff. It's really nice at college, you've always got people around you, so, when you do go to meals, you can engage with others and, see how they're, like what they're up to, etc. Obviously go off to uni, it's great at Union, we're so close to, especially UQ and all the other colleges, so that's awesome. And then another part for me, I just love the sport, the cultural activities, and I just love going along to them, whether that's at night, during the day. Really nice to break up, I guess, the study part of university. I think the best bit of advice I could offer is just to don't be afraid. I guess at Union we're honestly so respectful, welcoming, supportive. It is a massive step for a lot of Year 12 students, and I think if you can come to Union, just be yourself. We really encourage that. And yeah, you can definitely have a great time here. There's so many opportunities available. So just get involved, don't be afraid, and enjoy yourself.
What is your favourite memory from your time at Union College?
I think one of my favourite memories is probably on the sporting fields. At Union College, we're not necessarily the strongest sporting teams, but the sense of community we have and support, and just getting involved, I think, is the most important thing for me. No matter what the activity was, I just love literally giving it a red hot go and just getting involved. I think respect, inclusiveness and enjoyment.